Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a Voxel USDT trading pair with my customer set updates of main bull run plan. Let's dive in. First of all guys, today I closed my long position for Voxel. So this was an entry and this was a sell, and price goes much higher. So I closed around the 4 cents and 1. And yes, I missed it. It was a trade with a third leverage. So technically I missed it like 73% and multiplied to 3. So I missed it around 200% more. But it's okay. It's okay because we can't know in a moment, are we go higher or lower, and it was a logical exit point around here, around the test of daily gap. So we didn't sweep this high yet. Now 4 cents 43, this is the first trouble area. I want to show you the local zones. To break the structure we need to see something like this one, retest for example of this gap and go higher. So this is going to be the perfect scenario, and around if we go higher to 9 cents to sweep of 88, this one, the test of 5 cents is going to be the pretty good one. It's hard to say, are we move like this one and down, to correction, or we just go unstoppable up, because on the weekly time frame we are so underrated. Why I'm close also the position, because I want to tell you it's a psychological trick, guys. When you dream about, so here I'm open position and you in profit, so here you're in profit and you zoom out. You finally zoom out and start thinking, oh, what if I catch exact bottom and we go into $1 to $2 to $3, and it's going to be the amazing trade of my life, But guys, we can't know. The people who open here the long, they thought they catch the bottom at the 10 cents. We pump it to 30, and after that they just waste the time. So this is a weekly time frame. So they wait so long, and after that they not close the trade. They being in profit, but it was like unrealized profit, and it's a psychological trick. Why we have to move like this one and up only? We got a chance to see something like this one. That's why, guys. Of course, it's a main dream to open the trade with a second leverage, with a third one, with a 5x, 10x, and chill out next year, and take a look how your green P&L move up every single day. But guys, it doesn't work like this one. That's why logical entry, it was on the futures, and I closed my trade. This is a Voxel chart since my first video about Voxel bull run plan. So I highly recommend you go and check. Also, why I close my trade? Because Voxel being in the list of Binance tokens on the monitoring tag for the delisting. And they still not decide which one token delist, or they still not decide will they delist one token or the bunch of tokens. We can't know. So that's why, guys, it's a good thing. If you open trade, for example, and you're in profit, at least close your 50% of the trade, or I don't know, or close your trade logical exit at the first trouble area. So you will be not regret. If the market give me the option re-enter in a Voxel, I will do this one. Maybe not, but I'm skip it because there's a lot of other tokens. Now I'm in trade of Loca, still low cap. I explained a lot of in a lot of videos about a Loca and a Mobox. I choose the Loca on a perp now, and yes, I'm still hold a Loca on a spot. Voxel, I'm not buying on a spot, but guys, we can't buy every single token. So if you watch my first video about a Voxel, you remember, if this token will be not delisted from the Binance, it's main rule, because we need the liquidity. So the target can be around $2.61, $2.20, $2.61, $3.01 to sweep this high on the spot, guys. We are now trade long-term periods inside 27 blocks. So all this block, it's okay zone for accumulation on the spot for for long run. It can be the 1 year, 2 years. And guys, if you believe in new all-time high, you can wait the new all-time high, but I'm more conservative with my targets, and it's gonna be the miracle if the Voxel will pump to $2.20, $2.61, $3. It's gonna be just mind-blowing. And guys, keep in mind, at any single moment, any single second, the Binance can decide to delist it. And we saw it. We saw examples when the token pumped it 300%, 200%, right, in one day, and after that, the Binance made an announcement. So, oh, sorry, we delisted. Sometimes this happens, guys. So that's why better, of course, close your trades. We got this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. So this is like a magnet on the spot for continuation. Because if we will see some positive news now with the Trump, with the China, between the United States and all of this stuff, yes, we can go higher. We can go higher. So this is order flow, what we have to break it out and build a new structure. That's why this scenario with a retest of 5 tenths looks more and more logical one. We still can test and add 1-0, test at 27 level. But all this zone, if Voxel will be still exist on Binance and other exchanges, still good time for accumulation. Main target is monthly fair value gap, so it's a 0 level, so around 94 cents. Imagine how many limit orders to sell and open short position will be at $1. That's why the full fill of monthly gap $1.17, and the next targets. To buy now or not, guys, it's only up to you. Only up to you. I skipped the Voxel. I bought the Mobox and I bought the Loca. I skipped Voxel. We can't know which one will perform better one. So this is it. This is it, guys, what I would like to show you. And let's check with indicator set, guys, what's going on now with Voxel on the weekly. But the main condition, guys, this token should be still exist on a Binance because we need liquidity. Here, it was a main point of accumulation on ADZ. The same level almost was here in June 22. 32 cents, but imagine, here's a 32 cents low here on this one. And here is a 2 cents. So that's kind of big differences, right? And this is accumulation and direction, so looks pretty good one. So pretty good one. Now, on a spot, yes, guys, if this token not a pure scam, this can be the long accumulation. For what? They just will distribute this token later at much higher price target. So here, it was Afria at 43 cents, dump it to 2 cents. So of course, risk ratio, right? So risk reward, it was pretty good one, even for the spot. But I'm not buying for the spot because I don't want to stock in it. If Binance will decide to delist it, I can't know, right? I can't know. Still like a free on the monthly, but I think it can be the buy in May and sell in autumn. Maybe trade on, guys. Monthly, no data. Weekly, here was sell, buy back. So sell was at 41, 43. Here's a buyback was at 11, but no main signal to buy. On the daily, of course, it was a signal to buy. Here, a lot of signals to buy, bounce, like 43%. It was a tiny one, like 29, and yesterday it was like 239. So it's pretty good one, guys. But still, we need to sweep this high, 8 cents. Today or tomorrow is hard to say. And the last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit here. Also, what was the reason for entry? Entry was around 2 cents, 2 cents and 7, I guess. Here, here we traded under Fibonacci on a daily, right? And the target could be like 11.46. But on the weekly, we also traded way under fundamental value of this token. Fundamental value of the Voxel was at 9 cents. That was, it's giving the more and more logical reason to open trade with the leverage. Take profit on the weekly is 24 cents. So it's more than real. We're gonna see this one. So guys, all targets basically relevant. only if the voxel will be still exists on Binance. Highly recommend you, just in educational purpose, go and double check the voxel main bull run plan videos. Everything's still relevant. If you like to trade with my customer guide what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.